G'day, Ronnie. How you going, mate? Well, listen, I've just finished talking to you for over 5 minutes, and it just says something went wrong, and that's it. Well, maybe I went into the red zone, as they call it. Well, I was talking too long. I was going great guns here. I was chatting about what we're going to do, and leaving here, and I gave you a short food report, which is probably a heap shorter than the weather. It was still shit. If the food was like weather, it'd be raining and snowing and fucking drizzling and generally looking very grim. So anyway, I'll try and remember where I was. I'm just about to say that Brenda's gone off with Julie today to see the doctor at the hospital about the one that chopped the leg around and the other leg, and it's just to work out if he can find out why she's getting so much pain in his foot. You know, it's constantly there. It never really goes away that much. Uh, so, you know, I'll get some sort of report when she comes back. I rang Julie up when I realised I couldn't eat the food. I knew she's coming over, so I got her to bring me something to eat, something cold, because you can't keep it warm. I don't know if you've heard of a mob called Subway. Well, we've got that thing out here. It's like a sort of a bread roll about 6 inches. Sometimes they make them a foot long, and they're all full of cucumber, beetroot. It's a salad, and you can have all the different things put in it. You know, so you can virtually build it up yourself. So I hoed into that when she came here, and yeah, we went through a few bits and pieces of paperwork. Uh, See that there? See that plug's behind me, my ear there? Well, one of them's got a little red nail on it. So it's funny how it shows up on the screen, right? Yeah, they're all me plugs for me laptop. I've got the laptop right there in front of me. And it's good in a way. I'll just look into the camera now and speak at the laptop. I don't have to plug headphones in and microphones and shit like that. You know, that's pretty good. Yeah. So yeah, we've got a couple more big bills, but yeah, we've still got to do this assessment. So that's real priority. Basically, telling what we're earning, you know, in our pensions, and what our house effects or contents is worth. Probably wouldn't be worth much now because they only give you the second hand the use value. You can't have brand new replacement value. No longer got a car, and so I should be well under really. So yeah, so it still works out about 2.5 grand a month or something each, or something less. I can't think of it now. It's a bit complicated for me now for all that sort of stuff. Even though I've got all the equipment, calculators. I've got a calculator on my bloody phone, calculator. Yeah, there's like these kids today. I went in the shop one day and I said, hang on a minute, I gave a $50 note, and it's pretty each, you know, you get a rough idea what it's like. You give someone a quid, you know you're going to get change of this. I said, I think you chipped me there. And she said, oh, hang on a minute. And she gets the calculator out. I said, well, you got it on the bloody, on the till, you know, the tills, the cash registers, I should call them. Even in the supermarket, it tells you how much change to give and all that. Anyway, she's got this calculator going. I said, I don't need a calculator. I said, I can do mental arithmetic. She looked like, what the fuck was he talking about? Oh, yeah, so can I, she said. Anyway, she would persist with this bloody calculator. Anyway, by the time she died, it all worked out. But the only trouble is she only owed me 50 cents. I thought she owed me about $5. She looked at me to say, oh, that bloody fuss over that, you know. Then she said to me, I haven't charged you for the coffee. I said, oh, well, just that. Oh, no, we've got to fucking subtract and deduct this. And I didn't tell her about the lolly I snatched off the counter while I was queuing up. I was already sucking on that. Well, I was waiting for her to work the change out. She didn't know if I had a lolly when I walked in. I could have hidden up the side, you know. Anyway, things are going good. I think all this unknowns that excite me now. And this poor old Brenda, she's driving out this afternoon in the wheelchair. I said, never mind, darling. I said, we're still together. We might finish up under that Menangle Bridge like, oh, what was it? Somebody in Allen underneath. Yeah, geez. I said, as long as we're together. She said, yeah, that's it. But I said, I might have to throw a couple of extra sheets of newspaper over here. I said, because it's getting cold this time of year. Yes, it's getting a bit. So what do we have today? About 21. Well, that's not bad, is it? That's pretty good. And yesterday was 17, but it gets a bit windy. The sun's shining today. Well, I'm going to get off of here, mate, because before they decide to chop me off again. I've been on it 5 minutes. So I'll keep you up to speed, mate. I'll let you know what's happening. See you later, buddy. Hooroo.